have written selection of bitumen content. What is the function of bitumen? It acts as a glue to bind the aggregate. Along with this one, it's going to provide the flexibility and durability. Second one, this bitumen content or this bituminous material is not a material which remains constant. It is affected by the temperature. So it means there is variation with the temperature. To bitumen. Means its viscosity will change. It's not a constant. Viscosity will go on reducing. So it will behave different way as the temperature is increasing and decreasing. So this we have to know, this is the temperature dependent. Third one, that's why it's temperature dependent. So the selection of bitumen depends on the temperature. So far, like there are many types, but now I want to only give you description of 40-50 and 60-70 grades of bitumen. Why 40, 50 and 60, 70? Because we are going to study these in the higher climatic region where the temperature is high. From these two, the road which is going to carry the heavy traffic, there we will use this one. So that's why I am going to select 40-50 grade, because I am going to develop the mix design for highway road, which is going to carry heavy volume of the traffic. Now this 40-50, as I have told you, I have selected this. Its reason I have already told you, because we are going to develop the mix design for the highways, where the volume of traffic is high and the load imposed is also high. Next, after selection of this material, now I reach to this conclusion. Now I want to tell you about the properties. Like there is one standard which is giving us the properties of this bitumen material, and that standard is known as AASHTO M20. AASHTO M20 says that for this 40-50 material, penetration value, this is the grade. Penetration value should be between 40 and 50. This is my first property, which I have to check this one. Second property, flash point. This flash point should be 232 Celsius, not less than this. Third property, solubility in trichloroethylene, solubility. Means 99% it should be soluble in trichloroethylene. Fourth property, ductility. This ductility is made at a 25 Celsius temperature and the rate of pull is 5 centimeter per minute. The standard says this value should be greater than 100. Now, because these are fundamental property, which is the requirement. One property which is not in standard, but we have to determine. That is specific gravity. Because it is a requirement for further calculation of the mixed line, GB. Whatever its value coming, it should be greater than 1.01. Like sometime we are also checking the softening point. Although it is not a part of the standard, but some specifications, some technical specifications say that you should also make the softening point of this one. So that's the required. Now I will give you some more properties which we have to determine. The other two properties, penetration of residue, percentage of region value. Then thin film oven test. Now this thin film oven test, its value is 0.8. This is the value given in the standard. It is made in percentage. Then penetration of residue, percentage of original value, it is 58%. So keep this thing in mind. There are 8 tests need to be performed that this selected bitumen component should comprise these conditions. And each of these tests are made by separate standard. So keep this in mind. AASHTO M20 is giving the test, these tests. But in order to perform these tests, some other standards will be applicable. So that we have already studied the testing procedures of the bitumen in our bitumen's mix. So in our previous videos, here just my aim was to remind you that when you have selected any bitumen material, so you will have to perform these case tests. You will have to compare their results with this results given in the standard. Now, specific gravity GP is not given in the standard, softening point is not given in the standard, it may be mentioned in some technical specification. So, thank you very much for seeing this. I hope you may have understand about this selection procedure for the bitumen mix, so for this type of the bitumen. In next video, we will proceed further into our next time. Thank you very much for seeing.